Hello. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to complete FL 311, the Child Custody and Visitation Application Attachment. Go ahead and insert the first and last names of both parties. And if you are the respondent, you're going to insert your case number. If you're the petitioner, you will not have a case number at this point in time. So you're going to either, if you're the petitioner, you're going to check the first box because this attachment is going to be incorporated into your petition, and if you're the respondent, you're going to insert this box. You're going to select this box as this will be attached to your response. Next, you'll select box 1 regarding custody. Custody of the minor children of the parties is requested as follows. Insert the full name of every child from your marriage, their date of birth, and then designate who legal custody shall go to. You're going to put either the petitioner and respondent. You can put just the petitioner alone, or you can put the respondent alone. Next, you'll indicate who the person in which the child will reside with. You can either put the petitioner or the respondent. Visitation time refers to the time in which the non-custodial parent will spend with the children. So here, the non-custodial parent will be the respondent, since the petitioner is listed in which the physical custody for whom the child will primarily reside with. You can select 2A, reasonable right of parenting time, visitation to the party without physical custody. And then you can also designate in the times in which the respondent is to share with the children. You can select weekends, and you can identify the first, second, or third weekend of the month. You can even put every weekend of the month in which the minor children are to spend with the non-custodial parent. You'll put which day of the week, the time in which pickup is to occur, and whether pickup is going to be after school. You'll also put the day in which visitation will go to on the weekends, and then the other parent will come and get the children at this designated time. You can select alternate weekends. Far as visitation, you can also select for weekdays, the days of the week in which the non-custodial parent, in this case the respondent, will have with the children. So weekdays starting, make sure you put the date in which you want this custody arrangement to start. You would also put the date up here. Forgot to insert that. And then you'll put again from, so say for example the respondent is to have the children overnight during the week. So you can put 3 p.m. after school. They'll go get the respondent after school. And then you can put through Tuesday, as the children will stay with the respondent through Tuesday afternoon, and the petitioner will go get the children after school on Tuesday. In the next section of the form, you can also request supervised visitation, and then supervised visitation will be in accordance with what you have far as the set schedule on page 1. Obviously, children won't be staying overnight with supervised visitation, so you'll have to modify this section to fit a supervised visitation schedule. Most supervised visitations occur 1 day or 2 days a week for up anywhere from 4 to 6 hours. You'll also designate who the parent or who the supervisor will be, so you're going to put the supervisor's name. I'm just putting the petitioner's mother here for now. And then you'll also put who is a non-professional supervisor if it's just a family member. And then you'll also insert the supervisor's phone number accordingly. You can request for the cost of supervision to be paid. In some circumstances, this won't be required. You could designate a specific place for transportation far as pickup and drop-off go. You can designate who transportation to begin the visits will be provided by the petitioner or respondent. Transportation from visits will be provided by, and then you enter the name of the party. You can designate an exchange point. Far as at the beginning of the visitation, it's going to occur here, and then at the end of the visitation, it will occur here, and you'll insert that address. You can request for written notification if the non-custodial parent takes the children outside the state of California. or the county in which you reside, and then you will specify your county. You can request for a holiday schedule to be set out as follow. You can say all federal holidays the children will spend with the non-custodial parent. You can also say, for example, birthdays for each parent, the children will spend half the day with them from 8 o'clock a.m. till 3 o'clock p.m. So you have some flexibility here regarding the children's holiday schedule. If you're not sure what the holiday schedule is going to be like because this is the beginning of your divorce, you don't have to necessarily select anything just yet, because what you put in FL 341, your custody order attachment to the final judgment, you can by then work out an agreement with the respondent and have more detailed information regarding the holiday schedule you want. Here you can request other custody orders that you didn't select up above, and just make sure you're as detailed as possible so it's clear to the court what it is you're exactly requesting. If you have any questions on how to fill out FL 311, contact us, info@sdesquire.com. Thank you. Please proceed to the next lesson.